This is AIX, your daily dose of AI news.
Have you noticed that every time people talk about robots in China, they show humanoids dancing or doing backflips? But that's not where the real robotics revolution is happening. The biggest robots in China don't even look like robots. They are industrial machines working inside factories, quietly building cars, batteries, smartphones, and electronics around the clock. Every year, China installs more industrial robots than any other country by a huge margin. Inside its newest factories, hundreds of robotic arms weld, paint, assemble, and inspect products with incredible precision, while AI coordinates the entire production process. Some factories have become so automated they are called dark factories because they can operate with almost no human workers and do not even need the lights on. And that is the key difference. While everyone is amazed by humanoid robots, the machines transforming the global economy are specialized industrial robots. They do not dance, they do not talk, they just work, thousands of times a day, with incredible accuracy. This is why China has become a manufacturing powerhouse. It is not just building smarter robots, it is deploying them at an unmatched scale. So the next time you see a humanoid robot go viral, remember that the robots changing the world are probably hidden behind factory walls. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to AIX for more AI and robotics breakthroughs.